What's going on YouTube? This is gonna be a video about the Black Cat Jordan 4s, about the squeaking that's going on. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So what everybody is saying is that the Jordan 4s are squeaking. There's a lot of videos on here about the Jordan 4s squeaking, and I have come up with a solution to make the shoes stop squeaking. So first, shout out to Hibbets. I got these from Hibbets. All you're gonna need is a tape gun and a box cutter or scissors to cut the tape. So first, let's get the Jordan 4 Black Cats. It's simple to do. I got a double up pair. I got another pair on the way. Have the receipt from Hibbets, as you can see. It's an easy fix. So here's the Jordan 4 Black Cats, right? So all you're gonna do is cut a piece of tape and put it right in here in the wings on the inside up under it. As you can hear the squeaking. And the little tape that I have that I'm gonna cut out is gonna stop all of that. So stay tuned. Hold on 1 second. Right, so we have the tape. And we're gonna put it on the inside of the wings, right here. Just on the inside of it, just lift it up. And put it right up under the wings. I'm not even gonna really take the bottom part down here. I'm just showing you an easy way to do it. I already put off a piece of tape to go on the other side, as you can hear it. The proof is right here. You can't hear it, so just do the other side, like such. Just pull it back, stick it in there. You cut it whatever length you need it so it won't show on the other side. And this will 100% stop the squeaking. Just put it up under it. And there you have it. See, the squeaking is gone, but it's still at the bottom because I have put any tape there and you can barely see it. There's no squeaking. So, like I said, all you need is a piece of tape and to cut it. Just put it up on the wings, and it should stop the squeaking. So, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it came from Hibbets. Shout out to Hibbets and Air Jordan 4 Black Cats.